Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use the Tradingview chart templates. Alright, this is going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this one at all. Just going to give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into it. Now the first step will be to access the chart templates features. So you can access the chart template features by clicking on the chart button that's on the Tradingview dashboard. Step 2 will be to create a new chart template. So go ahead and create a new chart template, including the layouts, indicators, and other settings. Step 3 is going to be to configure your chart template settings. So go ahead and configure your chart template settings, including the symbols, time frame, as well as other parameters. And the fourth and final step will be to use your chart templates. So use your chart template to quickly and easily create new charts with your preferred settings. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use the Tradingview chart templates. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.